This is a simple yet powerful employee dashboard designed to make each of your employees 10 times more productive. It starts with a clean dashboard where they get access to their home, their tasks, their resource hub, and their training promotion section. This is the Pomodoro tracker, where they can track their tasks and also go into focus mode. Also built in flexible break options, long and short breaks, all designed to help recharge and stay focused throughout the day. Also, the daily motivational quote inspires them to achieve more. Then, the day begins with a simple daily checklist, allowing employees to note down key items they want to complete. You'll also find some engaging widgets like the weather view in a calendar. Then comes the daily dashboard, which helps them track today's important tasks, list their top weekly goals, and even dump quick thoughts or ideas on the fly. Next, there's a dedicated personal planner that pulls in all assigned tasks from across the workspace, so nothing slips through the cracks. Need to drop quick tasks into a department? No problem. Employees can instantly add items to marketing, sales, or any other team's queue. Each employee also has their own scorecard view, so each employee can track their own KPI and progress. To wrap up, here's something that matters just as much. To keep morale and development high, we've added a section for daily motivation quotes, habit tracking, and skill development resources, either for role-based training or personal growth.